LogRecord does not have expected fields. In Python, using the logging module, the documentation promises that LogRecord instances will have a number of attributes, which are explicitly listed in the documentation. However, it appears that this is not always true. When I do not use the logging module's basic-config method, the program below shows that the attributes as time and message are not present in the LogRecords that are passed to the log handler's emit method. Running this on Python 3 gives What is going on here? Did I misunderstand the documentation? What needs to be done to make sure that the LogRecord instances have the time and message attributes as promised?
It is responsibility of the formatter to set a time and message, so prior to calling self.formatRecord, those attributes are undefined. From the doc of the format method. The record's attribute dictionary is used as the operand to a string formatting operation. Returns the resulting string. Before formatting the dictionary, a couple of preparatory steps are carried out. The message attribute of the record is computed using message%args. If the formatting string contains a time, format time is called to format the event time. Since your example code does not call self.formatRecord, it is therefore expected behavior that those attributes are undefined. To have message and time set, you must first call self.formatRecord inside the emit method. Please try.
If you want to break channel, please consider dropping.